Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete Kling AI account. If you no longer use the platform, want to clean up old accounts, or simply want better control over your online data, this guide will walk you through the full process step by step. Before we begin, remember that deleting your account is permanent. Your projects, settings, and profile will be removed, and recovery usually isn't possible. So, if you have any videos, prompts, saved work, account details, or project files that you might need later, make sure you download or save them before continuing. If there's anything you want to keep, consider saving it first. With that in mind, let's get started. Open your browser and go to the Kling AI website. You can do this from a desktop browser for the easiest experience, because account settings are usually easier to manage on a larger screen. If you're prompted to sign in, log in with the account you want to delete, so you have access to your profile and settings. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you use more than one email address. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the interface for the three dots menu. Click that, then choose Profile Settings. This takes you to your personal settings area, where you can manage your account details. This is usually where platforms keep options related to your profile, login information, security, billing, and account removal. In the Account section, locate the option labeled Delete Account and click it. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're sure you want to proceed. Read the message carefully, so you understand what will be lost. This is important because deleting an account is different from simply logging out or uninstalling an app. Then confirm that you want to delete the account. Next, you'll see an option to send a verification code to your email. Click Send Verification Code. This helps verify that you're the rightful owner of the account and prevents someone else from deleting your account without permission. When the prompt appears, click Send to dispatch the email. Now switch over to your email inbox and open Gmail. Look for a new message from Kling AI. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment, then refresh. Sometimes verification emails can take a little time to arrive, depending on your inbox and internet connection. Also check your spam or promotions folders in case it was filtered. Open the email and copy the verification code exactly as it appears. Head back to Kling AI and paste the verification code into the field provided. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the code, as that can cause validation issues. A good tip is to copy only the numbers or characters in the code, not any extra text around it. When the code is in place, click Confirm to delete account. If the button is disabled, double-check the code for accuracy or request a new one if it has expired. Verification codes are usually time-sensitive, so if you wait too long, the old code may no longer work. In that case, sending a fresh code is usually the quickest fix. You'll then be asked to share a reason for leaving. Click the prompt that says, "Please let us know why you're deleting your account," and select the option that best fits your situation. Providing feedback helps improve the service, but keep it brief and honest. For example, you might choose a reason related to privacy, not using the account anymore, switching platforms, or simply no longer needing the service. Finally, click Submit and Delete Account. You may see a short processing message, and then you'll be signed out as the deletion completes. Once this happens, it usually means your account deletion request has gone through, and you should no longer have access to that profile. That's it. Your Kling AI account has been deleted. If you ever change your mind, you would need to create a new account from scratch using your email or another login method. Just remember that your old projects and settings usually won't come back after deletion. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you complete the process with confidence. If this video helped, make sure to save it or share it with someone else who might also want to delete their Kling AI account safely.